That's it, all set. And they're off and racing. A mile from King of Bahrain, Sun Chariot Stakes. In the early stages, Elusive Kate moves through to dispute the runner. Just the Judge, however, is going to head her off through the first furlong. That is the early leader. Chicken in second place. Elusive Kate, red sleeve, striped jacket taking the trail with La Paulina in fourth place. Dunkel races in fifth. Red, white and blue of Integral. Sky Lantern, the grey, has dropped out at the rear of the field. So out in front, Just the Judge. Coming up the centre of the racecourse, leading by a length from Elusive Kate in second place. In third is Chicken over on the far side in the dark cheek pieces. La Paulina in the nosebands. Then Dunkel, Integral and Sky Lantern off the rear of the field. No more than an even pace. Having got to the front, Jamie Spencer has steadied it down. As such, the field racing in more or less a diamond formation with Elusive Kate and Chicken raking up the second wave. The third group, Integral on the outside of Dunkel, the noseband in La Paulina. And Richard Hughes, mindful, I think, of the steadying of the pace, just eases Sky Lantern the grey a little bit closer. Just the Judge leads. Elusive Kate beginning to manoeuvre into position. Then Chicken, Integral over on the far side with the blue cap. Dunkel still travels well. Sky Lantern as well. A lot of chances here. Elusive Kate leads as they pass the two. Over on the far side, Integral, then Dunkel. Sky Lantern got a challenge on the near side. Elusive Kate doing the party trick of drifting over towards the near side. And Integral and Dunkel are the first two to go in over on the far side. Sky Lantern left with a little bit of ground to make up. Integral, Dunkel, Sky Lantern digging in. And now beginning to come home strongly. And Sky Lantern is at the head of the fillies and wins again in Group 1 company. Sky Lantern won the Kingdom of Bahrain Sun Chariot Stakes, running down Integral, who got first run. Dunkel ran well in third. Elusive Kate's hanging Costa this time in fourth place with La Paulina next.